to your idea. It shapes and it morphs. You get up in front of people and say, I'm talking about this idea, I really think we should do it. And you go, yeah, I think so. And you go, yeah, because how are they hearing it? In their language. Out of my life, I believe and value and I'm passionate about it. Why? What is it that I believe or value? And this word right here, be available, is huge. It is huge. In fact, if you video conference with me, on my wall behind me, you'll see a statement that says, be available. That's the first words it says. What do I believe or value that makes me have this commitment? Well, I think when Jamie called me and the school board called me, I think what they were looking for was someone that could come in and help them grow. And so I'm an executive leadership coach. My job is to help people, if you think of the word coach as a buggy, help people get from point A to point B. That's actually where the word comes from. And so I think my job with Jamie and the group here is that you all are lifelong learners, and so you're trying to grow. You're trying to teach students to grow. You're trying to grow yourself. And so doing a lot of one-on-one coaching, some group dynamics with them. We've done a couple of different things. One is we've done what we call window work, where we look at other people and say, how are they living their lives and how do I interact with them? But probably the more intensive work is we close the window and we do what's called mirror work. And that's the hardest work. That's what we did today. What's happening inside me? And how come I'm reacting the way I am? And then how the group dynamic grows then is to put those together, the window work and the mirror work. And that allows us to find a real growth spot for the academy and move you forward.
And we've been really fortunate to have David with us. He does work with a lot of school districts all over the state and a lot of organizations, and just has a real strong expertise in understanding people and organizations, how they operate. And so, when we think about being strong at G2S, and we talked about the idea of that wolf pack and teamwork and acceptance, understanding those things. And, that's what, some of this coaching really ties into is, if we're going to work together, it's a lot of understanding the people around us, so as a staff, understanding each other, understanding students and what motivates us, our uniqueness and kind of our personalities and archetypes and things that we talk about. So it's been really huge to have David here working with us, and like he said, to help us to do things where we're thinking about our interactions with other people, but also that we're thinking about just who we are and what we need to do to work to grow and be stronger as a person and an individual. So.